How's it going, everyone? I'm Mike and welcome back to Top Crypto, and today we're going to talk about League of Kingdoms, role-playing strategy game NFT. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so without further ado, let's begin. League of Kingdoms is an MMO strategy game where gamers fight for dominion. You can fully own and seamlessly trade digital assets through NFT technology. You will participate in game governance through transparent voting and Congress system. Build a strong kingdom and armies to overpower other kingdoms and monsters. Display your valor on the battlefield and secure your hegemony on the continent. Join an alliance or start your own with other kingdoms. Lead your alliance to victory. Expand your reach across the vast continent. Elect your leaders through transparent blockchain voting. Voice your ideas to customize policies and take part in the making of democracy. Blockchain features. Land. Claim your ownership of lands as lucrative real estate, NFT, and experience a new world of digital estate investing. You can start earning Ethereum rewards now. Your legacy starts right here. Own your lands as Ethereum NFT and start earning rewards now. Own your precious lands forever with the cutting-edge blockchain NFT technology. You can own your lands permanently and trade them safely. Monetize your prosperous land, enjoy lucrative dividends from your prospering lands. As more kingdoms flourish on your lands, they will raise the level of your property. The higher the level of your lands, the more profits you can earn. Lands are tokenized real estates, ERC 721, and foundational building blocks of League of Kingdoms world. You can own, develop, contribute, and enjoy lucrative rewards. Land is an NFT real estate foundation where kingdoms develop and resources to compete for hegemony. Each land is an NFT asset that users can own, cultivate, contribute, and earn lucrative rewards. Resource rewards: a landowner gets 5% of resources that are collected within the land. The resources can be used to develop your kingdom or bundled to make resource tokens, NFT. DAI rewards. League of Kingdoms accumulates DAI rewards pool to compensate hard-working landowners based on their land's development levels. Drago. Adopt your Drago to start earning DST, Dragon Soul Token, an utility token to fuel the play-to-earn economy in the League of Kingdoms universe. The DST token is endemically inflationary and can only be minted organically in the game. There are 5 elemental types of Drago: Fire, Terra, Aqua, Dark, and Light. Fire, Flame, Inferno, Heat. Born from the flame and volcanic ashes, the fire type of Drago is often called Inferno Drago. They are easily found in the Death Valley in the Inferno Basin located at the lion's share of the outback. This Drago is innately short-tempered and quickly turns destructive when offended. Terra/Earth, Timber, Fauna. The Timber Dragon is known as a forest or mountain dragon, as they are often found residing deep in the verdant rainforest of the South Cape. The Drago absorbs sunlight and water to convert into growth energy and power. Its draconic power derives from the vitality and mystery of Mother Nature, including but not limited to the rainforest, insects, plants, soils, and beasts. They often get sluggish on a dry and barren day, making them vulnerable to flames. The natural vitality permeates and fills the darkness quickly, so Terra Dragos are especially powerful against the dark elemental type. Aqua, Ice, Glacier, Water. Arctic ice dragons were born and raised in the frosty region of the North End. These Dragos stand out for being able to endure very low temperatures, as well as capable of commanding aquatic elements. The seasoned fishers in the northern islands often come across these Dragos while they go a long whaling tour to the Arctic Sea. It is said to be a spectacular scene where the entire sea surf freezes up in a single blow. Black, Blank, Darkness. The dark type is represented from traits that are considered feral and untamable, specifically that born from abysmal darkness and intense complex social conditions. These Dragos are native tricksters, usually cruel, crafty, manipulative, and clever, as well as mysterious and enigmatic. Light, Thunder, Electricity. The light type is a type of Dragos that have light-oriented powers. These Dragos are often found in the celestial zones above the clouds. They possess electrokinetic abilities, being able to control, store, or even produce electricity and atmospheric elements like thunder. These Dragos are usually fast, nimble, and often in yellow-colored appearance. As we mentioned the DST, we also have the Loka token. What is a Loka token? LOCA is a governance token of the kingdoms, by the kingdoms, and for the kingdoms in the League of Kingdoms game Metaverse, brought to you in collaboration with TPA Metaverse Foundation. While playing the game, use LOCA token to unlock powerful NFTs. Also, you can govern and propose and vote with LOCA to make your voices heard. Staking, stake LOCA and earn lucrative yields. Spend LOCA to buy your favorite items and skins on the marketplace. Here are the token percentage. We have 10% on reserve, 6% on private sale, 5% on public sale, 13% insurance in game, 5% land insurance, and 20% staking rewards, and 2% on advisors, 20% on the team, and 19% on ecosystem growth. Maximum circulation assumption, and used token supply will be reserved and not enter circulation. Here are the partners and investors of the game. Hashed, A16Z Crypto, Sequoia, Binance Labs, Block Tower, Yield Guild, SVC Skyvision Capital, Despread, Nod Games, OpenSea, The Sandbox, Token Pocket, ImToken, Kyber Network, Maker, and Trinito. Here are the roadmap updates. Future of League of Kingdoms Arena, 2021. Tokenomics, Q1 Q3 2021. Tokenomics Design, November 2021. Private token sale to accredited institutions, December 2021. Smart contract, audit, preparation for TGE, 2022. Play to earn system, January 2022. Token generation, public sale of $LOKA, 1H 2022. Drago NFT breeding game, The Ancient Battlefield CVC opens, Dragon Soul, token, $DST utility token, NFT marketplace, staking dashboard, land, reward hub, 2H 2022, Esport Ready Guild. War Tournament launch, TBD, PvP Arena The Coliseum launch, TBD, Dragonian Arena PvP Arena for Dragos, TBD, 2023. Supporting infrastructure, governance, Agora, esports dashboard, GameFi dashboard, blockchain layer 2, other supporting infrastructures, 2024. Decentralization. The eventual goal is to build a digital metaverse where gamers can own and thrive. The League of Kingdoms Metaverse aims to become a one-stop hub for all the game-loving people around the world to befriend and enjoy MMO games. Below are some of the potential features to be added that will enable our gaming vision. Social media, social NFTs, emojis, PFPs, etc., esports and related contents, infrastructures, NFT interoperability bridges, NFT marketplaces, governance Agora. GameFi dashboard, blockchain and dedicated wallet, tokenomics advisory, game streaming resources, game, marketing tools, game maker tools, all that is imaginable and beyond. Probably nothing. Right here is the management team. Chan Lee CEO. Chan is involved in all key decision makings, leveraging his technical expertise, business acumen, and deep experience across the board. Chan has graduated with a degree in computer science from Pohang University of Science and Technology, POSTECH, a leading technology institute in Korea. At graduation, he started his career as a product designer at Samsung Electronics and joined as a founding team of DAYLI Financial Group, one of the largest financial technology companies in Korea, where he led the DAYLI marketplace, overseeing entire product offerings of the group. He also worked for a game, dining startup, private equity, and co-founded NextMatch, one of Asia's fastest-growing dating app companies, servicing the #1 dating application in Korea. After the successful exit, NextMatch was acquired by MetaLabs, a Kospi company. Chan founded the NOD Games, fascinated by the massive potential of NFTs and blockchain gaming. In his leisure time, Chan likes to hang out with his friends at El Plato, the first Spanish tapas restaurant chain in Seoul which he co-founded with his friend a decade ago. He is also leading startup teams at Unabd as its inaugural CEO. Steve Huang, CTO. Steve is a technology leader who orchestrates all things engineering, technical strategy, and product/project initiatives. Steve is a game enthusiast by heart and a seasoned game developer with more than 20 years of experience building quality online and mobile games. While he was in the computer science and electronics engineering program at Seoul National University, Steve was a part of the founding team of Gamium, now a publicly traded game giant with $120 million plus in revenue. He also had stints at Electronic Arts, NHN, Com2us, where he led the server architecture and development of game titles including but not limited to FIFA Online, NBA Street Online, Go Online, and many others. Steve co-founded Nod Games with his good old friend Sean in 2019. He loves to play League of Legends after lunchtime with the team. Han leads the marketing, operation, and business development initiatives in the game studio. Han is a game lover who spent most of his childhood playing Pokemon and Diablo. He is also a proponent of Web3 innovation and blockchain gaming. Management professional by training, Han has built his career in supply chain and product management at LG Electronics, a global electronics giant where he led numerous product launches and oversaw supply chain operations in the US. Before his stint in the electronics industry, he worked for multiple early-stage ventures in retail/commerce. While at LGE, he encountered blockchain technology and learned about its power to address supply chain inefficiencies. Digging the blockchain rabbit hole, Han was mesmerized by the blockchain NFT gaming and bought into the vision, which led to his joining the NOD Games founding team in early 2019. Han is a University of Illinois alum and likes to walk his golden doodle in his free time. CoreTeam, Sean Moon Chief Server Engineer, Software Engineer with 20+ years of experience, Lead Server Programmer and Chief Engineer for NHN, XL Games, NeoWiz, Lead Server Platform Engineer for Netmate, Principal Engineering Consultant for Gravity, OzLab, Neon Games, Game Talk, DJ Max, Han Game Poker, Civilization Online, Winning 11, Ragnarok, World Blackjack Tournament, and numerous others. Edgar Kim Chief Game Designer with 15+ years of experience, Architect of Crossfire, the world's most played FPS game, formerly Nexon Smilegates, degree in Bioscience, a Pantamath and extensive reader. Felix Lee Chief Blockchain Engineer with 15+ years of experience, proficient in all things Web3, formerly Nexon, dual degree CS and Me at Postec. Hoon Lee Art Director Seasoned Art Director with 20+ years of experience, formerly We Made, Kakao Games, Friends Games. Aster Hong 3D Graphics/FX Lead Experienced 3D Graphic Designer with 15 years of experience, formerly at multiple 3D animation studios. Patrick Hong Principal Client Engineer, Experienced Client Developer with 10 years of experience, formerly CCR. Logan Zhang Head of VR/AR Engineering, Experienced Client and VR Engineer with 10 years of experience, formerly We Made. Jay Nam Head of Community Game Reviewer and Community Evangelist, Georgetown University, BA International Relations, formerly a linguist to U.S. Armed Forces. Paul Shin Community Lead, Asia Pacific, Creative Strategist, Crypto/NFT Enthusiast, former Brand Consultant and Restaurant Entrepreneur, summa cum laude, honors, graduate of SAIC. Now let's go visit the League of Kingdoms Twitter page. Land sale season is back. Land sale starts on March 17 UTC Q2, to celebrate giving 20 away legendary Drago stickers NFT. Retweet and tag 5+ friends in next 24 hours. Fill in the Real Pelu's Locks form to enter. Start your journey to the League of Kingdoms. League of Kingdoms joined Twitter back on March 2020 and currently has 62K followers. And that's all you need to know on League of Kingdoms. Come visit our channel. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on top crypto. Thank you for watching.